Hey friends, if you wish to fix spell check not working on Microsoft Teams, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for Teams in the Windows search bar and then go to Microsoft Teams and then let it load. And then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings. Now you can go to the accessibility tab and yeah, you can go to the general tab. There's something called as editor spell check. Make sure that this switch is on. Okay, in this case it will check the spellings, it will ignore words in uppercase, ignore words with numbers, etc. You can uncheck or check these options, but this is the main switch for the spell check, so make sure that this is turned on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.